So you may have just picked up the Blink camera application, and you might be trying to figure out exactly how to go ahead and set it up and use it. So number one, the big thing you're going to have to remember that no matter which type of Blink camera that you go and pick up, you can go and set it up by plugging in the power source just like this, unless it's a battery powered one. And there should be a QR code somewhere around that particular camera. What you're going to want to start off with is by downloading the Blink camera application on your Android or iPhone or whatever you have. So go ahead and download it, and it's going to prompt you into signing in or creating an account. So in this case, I'm going to go and create an account just for this particular application. So go ahead and start creating it. You can go and fill it out with whatever information that you want to go and fill it out with. And then after setting up your Blink account, you should be able to come into a page that looks like this. So now what we can do is we can click on the plus button at the very top right over here, and we can start to go ahead and add one of our cameras. So you can find the camera that you have. In this case, I have the mini camera right here, and you want to give it access to set up your camera. So now what you can do is you can go through and you can go ahead and basically just scan that QR code in the backside, wherever that backside camera of that Blink camera is. And what you can do here is it'll go ahead and automatically see what type of camera it is. So now you can go and click on continue and you can name your system. So we'll just name this, inside camera or something like that. We'll just name it inside. So then when we go ahead and set it up, you can see kind of what's going on here. So if you look at the front side, you'll see it's blinking blue. That basically means it's, blinking blue. If it's steady green, then it means something else. So now we're basically good to go. We can click on discover device. We can go and click on join. And then it's going to start joining up with this particular camera information. So it's going to take just a little bit of time. That's typically what ends up happening here. So after a little bit of time, you can see it's going to allow it. We want to allow it to, and then it's going to start asking us for the Wi-Fi password. So start typing in that information. So now it's going to start basically updating our software on our Blink camera. So we'll see that the lights have completely fully turned off, and it's going to just tell us that the password, that the firmware is just updating. So I'll go and show you kind of from this level. It's just going to give you some sort of layout like this. So it's going to take just a little bit of time, and then it's going to say the mini camera was added to the system. And now you're basically good to go. So after going through that, you can basically see that it's going to give me whatever information is here. But now if I want to, I can go through and just kind of click on the play button here, and I'll be able to see this camera showing up just like this. So you can see if I stick my hand out, that's what it looks like. And that's basically all we really have to do. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.